Chesapeake Bay serves as a nursery to much of the ocean's fish, but it's the seagrasses that allow them to grow and prosper. For seagrasses to thrive, they need ample sunlight and must penetrate water down to the sandy bottom. The leading culprit for blocking the sunlight is algae that grows in the water's surface. The sea life does two things. It creates jobs for watermen, restaurant workers, and seafood distributors, and it makes the bay region a popular place to live and vacation. A cause for the growth of algae blooms is runoff from farms, as shown below. It rapidly multiplies, and the growth of algae blocks sunlight from reaching the grasses, which prevents oxygen from getting to fish and other sea life. As shown here, blooms in cloudy water combine to block sunlight from reaching the grasses that prevents the production of oxygen. This causes fish and oysters to die because the grasses can't prosper, and the food chain breaks, and the beauty and the economy of the bay suffers. While action is being taken to reduce the flow of nutrients into the bay, I propose a near-term method of removing algae from the bay now, autonomously, by combining proven and developing technologies. Space-based remote sensing will detect and identify large blooms using GPS. The Sentry, which is a Roomba for the bay, will navigate back and forth and then find its way to home base where the algae can be collected and processed into pharmaceuticals or pet food, creating a healthy bay.